Hello, girlfriend, and today I'm gonna play some more Angry Birds Star Wars. So we're going on to the dark side because I want to do more on the dark side. Okay. So Darth Maul, I think. Yeah, it was Darth Maul. Okay, let's attack that thing. I suck. Okay. Right there. Okay, that did nothing. Okay, let's try that. Okay, maybe like this. Hiya. Kill. I almost killed everyone. Okay, let's see if those birdies will like a little sword meeting. Come on. Crash into them. Crash. Oh, come on. Okay, let's try that again because I think I did it wrong. Okay, destroy all. And then do its own stuff. Okay, now all three of them look like they're ready to. Are you serious? Oh yeah. There we go. That's way much better. And boom. That's way much better. Okay. Yes, I think that's 1,000 points or 10,000. I don't know. Okay. Thank you. 3 stars. This one was so easy. That felt like the first level, I think. Okay, we're on this dude. Where are you? Okay, so he throws his sword. Maybe if I'm lucky enough to. Oh wait! Oh, maybe we need to attack the birdie behind him. And then make Mother Nature do its own job and stuff. Let's see. Okay, go around the birdie. Got him. And kill that one. Yes, you're both dead. Done. See, that's how it should have gone. Real. Too easy. Done. Okay, I got 1,000. Yes, more. Give me some more. More points. I want more points than that. Sucked. Okay. 3 stars. Okay, I see you, little birdies. I see you. See you, birdies hiding. Where are the birdies? Okay, yeah. Got him. Okay. That sucked. Did anybody? Come on, I hate this dude. This sucks. Whoa! Oh my God! He did that with just one. With 2 birds, but he killed the bird in the front. But his lightsaber killed the other birds. That was so OP. Okay, what is this? What's happening? Okay, who cares? Alright, this one seems too much easy. The birds are gonna kill themselves. That's so dumb. Why do birdies do that? Are you serious? Okay, let me try that again. Okay, all birdies are dead. Alright, plan failed. Okay, I killed nobody died. So, come on, stop push. Okay, you don't care. How about we do it like this? 360 no scope. Oh! He makes a great Call of Duty player. Okay, and 360 no scope. MLG Pros. Whoa! he didn't. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, one birdie. Wow, that sure killed all of them. Oh, wait, that killed nobody. That sucked. That sucked. Boo. Okay, what is happening? Okay, I'll take care of this, guys. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I fixed the problem, and now we're back, and I'm back to the loser, old Grandpa Santa. Okay, that sucked. Okay, why do I suck this game? Why do I suck? Eddie! Oh. Come on, I want him to fly away. Like, get out of here. Don't get Okay, he almost did it. But he did. 360. That's no 60. Okay, come on. Why does this level seem so hard? Push him off. Oh my god. Okay, let me think. Yeah. Die. Bruh. Oh wow. Sure, that killed a lot of you. That killed Santa Claus. Santa Claus. We're gonna kill these dudes. Okay, that dude is going up. He's like, peace out. Peace. That sucked. That sucked. Yeah. Oh no! He went through. I think we need to aim for the wooden planks. It almost worked, right? Come on, it almost worked, right? Yeah, okay, come on, get back over here, and boom. And peace! Okay, no, that ain't funny. Okay, let's do someone. Let's use the fatty. I'm so sorry to two fat people out there. Hiya! Oh my god, he's thrusted. Oh my! Well, now we know who's not going to Disney one day. First, okay, now this would be Darth Vader. Darth Vader, join the dark side. Oh my god, that's so OP. Come to the dark side indeed. Oh! Okay, he's OP. Let's use him. You look like something from like a snail game. Get over here. Okay, he sucks. He looks like he sucks. Oh, we still have a chance. You, who are you? Oh, what are those? Those birds look ugly. They look like they've been ill or like Die! You look like Darth Maul's brother or something. Dude! Man, he's thrusty like. Get out of my way! Okay, I used everyone. I mostly like Darth Vader because he's so OP and cool. Oh yes, Darth Vader, so cool. Darth Vader, I like Darth Vader. He's so cool. So cool. There's Darth Vader clothes and there's Darth Vader stuff and stuff. Why? That's what everyone knows about Star Wars. When they hear Star Wars, they think about Darth Vader. That's what they think. First they think it's Darth Vader. No. Star Wars is not always about Darth Vader. Or Luke Skywalker. Or something. I don't know. Hiya. Hey, up we go. Bye. Peace out again. Peace. Why did the guy keep doing that? Those birds are like awkward or like, oh, it's not Hiya. Okay, push him. No? Okay, I'll make him push him. Hiya. Man land on top of him. Land. Okay, that almost worked. Nope, that did not work. Okay, how about this? This and then this. And no, that did not work. Okay. So I'm supposed to bring down the big thing from the top and then make it land on the other birds on the bottom? Makes no sense. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh no, wait, no, I did wrong. Okay. Nope. Oh yeah. And no! Come on, are you serious? Okay. Attack. Okay, that killed nobody except for your mother. This game is frustrating. Come on. No, you can do it. Okay, I'm gonna waste all my birdies. What a waste. Hiya. And that killed, still killed nobody from a gazillion. Hiya. Okay. Finish him. Oh! Big boomy. Nobody survived the desert because some say that the desert was hard to survive in. And the desert's so hot out there. Okay, so yeah, I think it's the end of the video. Oh, I see you, birdie. There we go. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video on me playing Angry Birds Skywars. No, wait, Star Wars on me. Why do I keep saying that? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!